Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. This week I decided to change the format of my planner. Instead of the current A5, I will go for a B5 version, which is this. You can see how much bigger that is. The reason being that I find that I love having decorations in my planner. That's something that keeps me motivated to keep using it. But at the same time, that means that I have much less space for writing, and so I decided that I'll try the bigger version, the bigger format, to see if that works better. Okay, so let's begin. For this, what I got is the printed B5 version of my setup. Then I got some see-through plastic sheets for the cover that I'll cut in the appropriate size, scissors, and my mushroom puncher. Sticking with the disc system, I absolutely love it. It's so versatile. It's very easy. If you don't like some pages, you can just get them, put them out, then put them back in if needed. You can rearrange it however you want, and I love it. I absolutely love it. It's very light. I'm just keeping the pages that I'm actually using, and also I get the bonus of changing the cover every month, which I absolutely love. I always got tired of having one stationary planner and the same cover throughout the year. I love having this variety. Let's start by cutting out our new cover. So this now is supposed to be 17.6, yes, by 25. Then I'll get this one. In terms of monthly goals, I'll keep the ones that I'm having in the A5 format. I'll just transfer these here that are my goals for each day, because we're already towards the end of the month. So I don't want to have to migrate everything. But I'll also add this page, which is my favorite from this month's setup. And finally, I'll go for the weekly setup. Okay. Then finally, I'll get my cover sheets, use the corners, and cut these to the size of my sheets. Now the next step would be to use the mushroom puncher. Let's start with the covers. There we go. Okay, this one misfired, so I didn't align it properly. So I'll give it another go, trying the other side. This time making sure it's all the way in. There we go. Okay, now I have arranged the pages in the order that I want to have them. I'll punch them 2 by 2 together. And then put them straight on top here. Looks like I'll need another disc. Okay, that could be tricky, because now you can see the cover fits. However, at the top, there's one disc that I cannot actually add, because there's not enough space here for it to hold on to. Down here, I'll go get another one. So here's another disc, and now I can add it here at the bottom. And the final one, making sure all the paper goes all the way in the puncher. Okay. Now, putting that tool to the side, I'm bringing these together. And I want to add them to our new B5 planner. Maybe should have done it page by page, but anyway, they are aligned, so it will clip in place. These last ones as well. Okay. So just checking if all of them, there we go, this one is not properly in, there we go, now it's fine. Okay, so now we're adding the new cover to make sure the front page is protected, and also it gives extra support to that last disc that has only a few pages compared to the other ones that are much sturdier. And at the back, I'll also add one of the newly punched covers, again, to secure this last little guy in place. Okay, so that's the new planner size. And I have empty pages. I have plenty more space to write in, which I love. Just to compare here versus here, it's so much more space, and I still get to keep the cute decorations. So let's see how this fares over time. Alright, so that's my B5 disc planner with printables. I hope you found something useful here, and see you in the next one. Bye!